eastern Kentucky. The guy's just rolling down the road. Rolling down the road, trying to loosen his load, looking for a friend of his. It's on a 55-mile-an-hour road, too. Yep, nothing to see here. Just driving my lawnmower. There we go. Lots of little fun video for you today. See you later. Good afternoon, boys and girls. We just passed into Lynchburg, Tennessee. Come get you some Jack Daniels. Last time I was through here, I thought I was videoing. It wasn't. Looks like old Billy Bob right here has already been into his Jack Daniels today. It's hard for him to maintain his lane at a whopping 30 miles an hour of blistering rain. Brake lights probably don't work either. Billy Bob's old rig here. But here we go. Lynchburg, Tennessee. People are flocking out to see the whiskey. Look, and there's some barrels, and there's some more barrels, some Jack Daniels barrels even. Lynchburg Garage, Lynchburg Shrimp, Shrimp Creole, Shrimp Kebabs, Orange Shrimp, Purple Shrimp, Sweet Shrimp, Sour Shrimp. So everything around here is called Lynchburg something. Lynchburg Winery, Lynchburg Cigar Company. And people are just hanging out on the side of the road. Oh, Labor Day weekend is this weekend for all of you folks. Lynchburg Veterinary Hospital. Happy Labor Day weekend for all you folks that are going to be celebrating Labor Day. I'll be celebrating by working, but yeah, that's what I'll be doing. Be doing a little working celebration. But don't worry, I'll be off the following Friday and Monday for a much needed long weekend with my honey. And family too. Honey first. Lynchburg Country Inn. The thriving metropolis of Lynchburg, Tennessee. Here's Jack Daniel Employees Credit Union. Closed on Friday today, it looks like. Well, maybe not. Saw a car over there. Lynchburg Market. Lynchburg Apartments. Lynchburg Houses. You know what I mean, kind of like Forrest Gump. Lynchburg this and Lynchburg that. Just saw the po-po back there. We don't want to be getting us any speeding tickets. On my way to Alabama, speaking of Forrest Gump. What's your mission in life, Gump? Whatever you tell me to, Drill Sergeant. I had to throw that in there. Going to Alabama for the first time. I hope it's not like Arkansas. I don't say that just because it starts with an A. Roads in Arkansas are horrible. Absolutely horrible. So, anyway, a quick trip down into Alabama, if I could speak. A quick trip, and if I could drive off the rumble strips. A quick trip down into Alabama for a whole 80-piece delivery. Take me all of 15 minutes if I'm moving slow. Then back up to Tennessee for my last delivery stop. And then I might have to make some more stops to pick up some other stuff. But we will see. If all goes well, I might be home today. Which I wasn't really planning on that. But don't look a gift horse in the mouth. And you know why they say that, don't you? And nobody's ever told me this, but Well, I kind of pieced it together. You don't look a gift horse in the mouth because you don't want to see his teeth, and that they're all nasty and horrible. I guess that's why they say that anyway. That's my best guess. If you got the answer, and my wife ever puts this video out, then leave the comment. There's a facility on the right there. I think they got some big aging rooms up here too, on my left, if I remember right. But yeah, happy Friday, September 2nd, 1:10 p.m. Central Time. Old Billy Bob here, he's holidaying. And I'm just trying to get some work done. Let's go, Billy Bob. Let's get after it. Hey buddy, what you reckon the speed is on this road? I don't know. How many beers you had? 4? Well, in that case, probably 45. Well, alright then. 45 it is. Less beer is faster, more beer is slower. So I guess if you had 6 or 8, you'd be going 45 or 35, depending on your propensity for risk. Meanwhile, back here, I'm dying on the vine. Yeah, so here's a big aging facility on our left. Oh, on our left and our right. That's where they age it all. See how nice and clean the buildings are. So this is where your Jack Daniels Old Number 7, which for the record never did like when I used to drink this on occasionally. Didn't think it was very good. Less so even today. Yeah, it's a pretty big facility though. Probably aging 100 trillion gallons at the moment. So batch is ready every day. Kind of like that movie, 100 billion tons of steel, or whatever it was called, about the runaway locomotive. So they must be aging 100 billion gallons. Or 1,000 billion. Those of you mathematicians out there. Some nice houses out this way, like that one on the right. Don't know how well you can see it, but man, that's I love those copper-ish colored roofs. Roofuses. Anyway, enough of my silliness. I'm gonna get back to work. Well, I've been working, but I'll get back to my real job.